I hope you guys are good and hope you are doing well. So I'm gonna be giving you guys another setup that I'm looking at. So yeah, let's get into it. So the setup is Euro Swiss. All right. So let's look into this. Right. On the monthly time frame, as you can see, price has been playing here. Right. And based on what we are watching around here, as you can see, we had this candle, that was bearish, which closed around here, and we had the next candle being bullish, breaking above the previous one right there on the monthly. And you see we closed at the top, and that is indicating that the price, we closed above the week of that, so that is indicating that price in this case is somewhat bullish, right? It's bullish. And so since we are bullish here, what we are doing basically is we are retesting the previous lows and more pushes down. That's why here you can see that there's some kind of resistance slash support, right? So price on Euro Swiss, guys, currently is bullish, and what I'm expecting is for the market to come around here long term. That is, price will have to push here before we drop, because this is the previous area or level of structure that we have, right? So I'm gonna jump to the weekly time frame. What do we see? So first thing first, we see that price dropped up to here, and price created a lower low, which resulted in the market pushing back to the upside, and we created this lower high, and then price dropped down again to create a lower low by breaking below the previous lower low right there. So this is a new structure low, and then from there price pushed back up to break above that lower high, and right now we have created a new structure high, and as a result we are in an uptrend because we broke this high. But to confirm that, what we'll need is an area where price can settle to create a higher low, and then we'll be looking for more pushes to the upside. And already we have such an area around here because we have a strong support level which can help us see that price can actually turn around from these areas, right? So let me just do this. Okay, first of all, let me check something here. Okay, all right, so I just want to see something first. Okay, yeah, I think what I've been wanting is I can see it clearly now. So somewhere around here, guys, this is where the market is looking to settle. As you can see, I'm using this area, I'm using this fake break, I'm using this test, and this test, as a means to identify my resistance slash support in this case. So what we are looking for is for price to simply just come down here, settle here, and then push back to the upside. All right, so let me just do this, jump to the daily time frame. What do we see on the daily? We can see clearly that price pushed up, it came down, and then it pushed up, and as you can see, multiple touches on that level. So it shows you that is a very strong level. The level that we're looking at is very strong. So from there we'll be looking for price to drop, and after price is settled, I'm gonna be looking for those buying opportunities. So I'm already trading a Swiss pair right now. I have trades on it. That's why I'm not going to be trading this one just yet, even though they don't correlate that much. But based on what I'm seeing, if that one drops, this one will likely drop as well. So yeah, so what I'm looking for the coming weeks or months is going to be for price to come here, and then for price to bounce back to the upside. All right, so I'm going to jump to the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to jump onto the 4-hour time frame, and let's see what the market has for us on the 4-hour time frame. Come on, man, just load. Okay, so we are here. So as you can see, guys, price created a double top formation around here, and we just broke below the previous higher low. So that is indicating that there is a possibility for the market to come here before pushing up. Not only is that the case, but when you look around here, around this areas around here, right? Let me just use this color. These areas around here, you can clearly see that there is a demand zone below this, all of these structures where people will be looking to buy. At the lowest point, there is some kind of a demand zone that the market will probably be coming to before pushing to the upside. So that's one of the areas that you want to pay attention to. All right, so let's just take this here. All right, so here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna take all of it because I think that will work quite well for me. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me put it straight. So around here, this is where I'm expecting the market to come down and react in these areas. And once that's done, I'm going to be looking for those buying opportunities from there. So for the coming weeks or days, look for this to come here and look for a continuation higher, because price is already bullish, as you can see, right? We just want price to come here and we want to see that continuation to the upside. So in terms of so let's see in terms of targets how we can set this up. All right, and look at that, that is beautiful, man. Like here, guys, we have the 618 within the demand zone. Wow. Yeah, this is something that I'm going to be paying close attention to, because it meets every criteria that we need to actually execute a trade. So you'd say it's a high probability setup. So I'm gonna put this here and I'm gonna use the extension tool. Okay, so this, if price comes here and rejects to go up, my first target will be the 1272, and I'm going to be looking for the 1618. And yes, we do have a resistance here, but because it has been touched so many times, I do expect that if price comes to it, it's not really gonna go down, but it's gonna allow the retailers to come in, and then we're gonna be looking to take them out after that. So let's wait and see if the market will deliver, guys, what we are looking for. So that's it from me on Euro Swiss, and with that said, see you on the next video.